Dust in the halls where the shadows reside. A coup forgotten but still full of pride. Lines like a sketch in the gray they remain. I see in that wreck a king in a chain. Alpha in darkness, Ferrari and Schicht. Maserati like verses the time can't delete. Each find is a secret, a spark in disguise. They rise from the grave and the street is the prize. We tear down the shell till the daylight can talk. Our hands set the fate if it stands or it falls. Pistons are pounding, the rhythm is true. From silence to thunder, we're breathing it new. Ignition is sparking, suspension aligned, but the soul stays intact, it's one of a kind. Leather in grip, but the spirit stays raw. From ashes and rust comes a heartbeat once more.
We are the new class, steel and machine. Legends reborn with a fire unseen. From Alpha to Ferrari, from Maserati, BMW, the future rides retro. The echo is true.
Yeah. They're chasing the future, electric and fast. But legends will live if the craft's built to last.